Alright, so we're gonna start this day off right. First person I run up on Jake Smooth.
What up with it, bro? Y'all gonna check me out on YouTube, Jake Smooth Lifestyle, bro. Go ahead and get that country lifestyle. You did.
Already. Yeah, we're at Elton Swamp. First time opening for the year. We're gonna get it in, see what it do. Brought 3 of them yams out today. Don't forget to go to the page, like, subscribe, share, who doing what.
What's up, man?
You in boat? Oh, you gotta bag it up some.
Yeah.
Oh, this about your baby fit back there. That's why the Renegade was back here. But this one up. Then I mean, I had to get everybody to help me put the Renegade on when I get ready. What up, Lee? Alright, where everybody at? Okay. That's where you gonna keep it at? Alright.
What?
Who your mechanic?
Hey.
Alright, well, I might have to send that to you.
Okay.
Alright, so I guess I'll send that to you. But you ain't got no room to, oh, you got room to take it today?
I wanted to.
I could have put that bitch on back of your truck.